Example number 4. You want to fill up the gas tank of a helicopter. If you are using 2 hoses to do it, it can be done in 2 minutes. Okay, they are talking about 2 hoses, A and B. If they are to finish it together, they will get this done in 2 minutes. Using A alone, it takes 5 minutes to fill up the tank. 5 minutes. How fast can the second one fill up the tank alone? What is the time? So, by just looking at the question, I probably will let T be the time required to fill up the tank by B only. This is what I will be used. This is what I would use for T. But when you look at the questions here, they are not talking about distance. Well, they definitely this one will have something to do with the speed of filling up the gas tank, but they are not talking about distance anymore. What are they talking about? Volume, job. They're trying to complete this one job. They are trying to complete this one job. Together, they will finish this one job. So, compared to speed, distance, and time, we are not getting a distance. We are simply getting this one job that we are trying to complete. So that's not distance. How fast can they finish this job? In the past, we would use distance over time to get the speed. But now, we don't have distance anymore. We have job. We're trying to get this one job completed in 5 minutes. And if I'm using the second hose, I will be able to complete this one job in 10 minutes. So that's the speed. Altogether, they can finish the job in at this speed. They can finish this one job together in 2 minutes. So how do you set up an equation using the last column? What are we supposed to do to bring these things together and set up an equation?
Would it be
Hose A plus hose B? Yeah. You're talking about these two hoses doing the job together. When they do it together, it will give us the speed at the end. So technically, I will have 1/5 plus 1 over t equals 1 over 2. They will give us the final speed all together by simply adding the two individual speeds together. And now we have 5t and 2 in the denominator. I can solve this equation by finding the LCD first and multiply this LCD to the numerator. Multiply each numerator by the LCD. Times it by 10t, times it by 10t, and times it by 10t. This is how we can reduce it with the denominator. Reduce it with the denominator, and therefore giving us 2t plus 10 equals 5t. And that means if you are to use whole speed alone, it will be completed, the job will be completed in 3 minutes and 20 seconds.